Hello, and thanks for joining us. In this short video, you'll learn how to make greeting cards using the Cricut Joy card mat and insert cards. This system will allow you to create personalized, meaningful cards in just a few minutes without glue, expert skills, or a mess. Let's get started. Pick your materials, open up your Design Space app, and pick your card project. Follow instructions on the screen until prompted to load the card. Remove the protective cover from the mat. Slide the back of the folded card under the left side of the clear plastic divider. The card is designed to butt up against the top of the mat. Now, press the front of the card onto the mat adhesive. This will hold it in place for the cut. Insert the mat into the machine arrow first. When the cut is complete, peel the mat away from the card. Insert the liner into the pre-cut corners, and you're done. Thanks for watching.